The question is, explain why A. Kelvin scale has been adopted as the standard temperature scale, and B. Absolute zero is a hypothetical concept. So for the first one, the Kelvin scale is the standard scale of temperature for a number of reasons, including absolute zero. So we know that Kelvin scale is based on absolute zero, which means it is the temperature at which there is no thermal energy and the molecular motion completely stops. So this makes it convenient for scientific calculation. And there is no maximum temperature. So Kelvin scale has no maximum temperature, so it can measure temperature to any extent. Moreover, it is independent of substances. So the Kelvin scale is independent of any particular substance or measurement, and it is based on Boltzmann constant and universal constant. So these are the reasons that the Kelvin scale is taken as the standard scale of temperature. Now, why absolute zero is a hypothetical concept? So absolute zero is the lowest temperature that is theoretically possible. It is the temperature at which the motion of all particles in a substance would come to a complete stop, and the particles or the substance would have no energy. So absolute zero is equal to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin. So at this temperature, the particles in the substance, they have the minimum amount of energy they are capable of having, because according to the laws of thermodynamics, it is impossible to reach absolute zero in practice. Means the molecular motion will never stop. Although it can be less, the particles, they can still be vibrate, but there would not be any temperature where the motion of all particles would be completely stopped. So that is why we say that absolute zero is a hypothetical concept, and this temperature value can never be achieved. Although closer values can be achieved, but this value can never be achieved. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.